I was actually using this backpack as my long-term travel personal item. Jansport brand, so functional, it has amazing features, and as a digital nomad, I needed space for my laptop. It's water repellent, durable. In my case, I was traveling for months at a time. Because it is a larger bag, 28 liters, it is a great size for a personal item. All my electronics, my valuables, everything and anything that was really important was in this bag. You can see it has a laptop sleeve. I love that it has a really nice opening, so that way I can then customize how I'm going to be packing it with the packing organizers I'm using. This bag is particularly well designed because it has a variety of compartments on the outside. It has a dry bag, which is amazing because I'm a scuba diver. You know, if you have a wet bathing suit, you don't want to just throw it in your suitcase. So this is absolutely amazing. So this type of bag, not what I'd use to go sightseeing, but great to act as a personal item. It acts as a great carry-on, and it also is great for outdoor adventures. So head over to travelfashionGirl.com. Take care, and thank you so much for tuning in today.